Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Roman numerals, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं रोमन अंक. So let's start. Roman numerals is a number system which is devised by Romans. This system uses 7 letters to represent the numbers. As you can see on the screen, I is used for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. To understand this number system, only these letters are not enough. We must know few rules, which we are going to cover in next slide. Rule 1. Repetition of a letter means addition. The letters I, X, C and M are repeated maximum up to 3 times. And do remember, the letters V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, single I is equal to 1. Double I is equal to 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Triple I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3. And the same for X, C and M. But as I said, V, L and D cannot be repeated. Single V is equal to 5. Double V will be 5 plus 5 which is equal to 10. For 10, we have already one letter which is X. And the same goes for L and D. Now rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the large numeral. For example, VI. I is smaller than V and written to the right of the V. Hence, we will add 1 to the 5. Which is 6. And the same is done for the rest of the examples. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. For example, IV. I is smaller than V and is written to the left of the V. Hence, we will subtract 1 from the 5 which is equal to 4. On screen, you can see example 4 and 5 are little bit different. For that, we do have a rule 4. Before going to rule 4, please remember V, L and D are never subtracted. And V is never written to the left of X. Now let's move to rule number 4. Rule 4. When a smaller number is placed between two larger numbers, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. Let's understand this with some examples. X, X, I, X. Here, first two X will be written as 10 plus 10. After this, it comes IX. So, I will be subtracted from the following X, which is 9. Hence, the number will be 10 plus 10 plus 9, which is equal to 29. Let's solve one more example, which is XLV. X is smaller than L and it is placed to the left of the L. Hence, we will subtract 10 from 50. Then we will add 5, which is 45. I hope you must have understood Roman numerals. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box. Thank you so much and have a nice time.